So how many of you guys got in on the Mrs. Babs sale of yarn after Christmas? I was excited to get onto it, or Miss Babs, it's not Mrs. Babs, but I had not used any of her yarn before, but I have heard some of you guys talk about her yarn, and some of my other podcast friends talk about their yarn, and I wanted to try it. So I placed my first order from Mrs. Babs, and look how cute. Welcome, we're so glad you're here. And it says Miss Babs and has her little logo, the little, I think that's an orchid. I don't know, I could be wrong. But let's dig in and see what we've got. Welcome, we're so glad you're here. And it has little stitch markers on it. I love these stitch markers too, so that's awesome. Thank you for your first Miss Babs order. As a special gift to you, we're including 3 of Babs's favorite stitch markers, simple knitting tools we all love. Your success is important to us, and we're here to help. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to call or email. We can help you choose great color combinations, explain the best ways to alternate skeins, troubleshoot yarn winding, or just match the perfect yarn to your project idea. That's very cool. I appreciate that a lot. And I love the stitch markers, so I'm excited about that, and I think you'll see some more in here. And it gives us a sheet with her show schedule for this year. And then also I got a little baby, I think they call these unicorn tails, Swatch Me, a 10-yard sample of Miss Babs, and this is Estrellita fingering weight yarn, 92% merino, 8% lurex, and normally it comes in a 4-ounce skein of 400 yards, and this is in the colorway Wild Iris, so it's a really pretty purple, and it has this beautiful glitter in it, and golly, it is very nice. Oh my goodness, already I love it. It's coming a little unwound, so I'm just winding it back. At least I think I am. I'm not so great at it. Done. Oh well. And she even has a return policy that she shares. And her invoice, all sales are final. Oh gosh, I got some great stuff I'd forgotten. Thank you, enjoy. Oh my gosh, I'd forgotten some of the things that I'd gotten. So I got a little bag. Oh, this is so cute. This is called the Spa Bag, and it says, my favorite color is all of them. And it's just a really small little sock bag. And it has a nice bottom. I mean, it's not tiny, but it is a smaller bag. Super cute with a drawstring and handles. It's fabulous. I love it. And this retails for $12, it says, so it's not expensive. And let me see if it tells me. My favorite color is all of them. It was $9.60, including tax, so super cute. And she had lots of different sayings that you could choose from. And I got some buttons. These are hand dyed, and they're just cute little buttons. I thought that would be fun in the color Chestnut. And I also got some Hiya stoppers, because as you'll see, I got some Hiya needles, because I wanted to try them. So I got the little stoppers, and it's a little panda bear, and he's knitting a sock. Isn't that cute? Super cute. And I think that they are in here. So packaging is very good. And here are some of those stitch markers that I love. And I got the pinks, and then I also got her assorted. And those are normally $8, but they were on sale for $6.40, including my state tax. And then I got some Hiya Sharps. So I got Hiya Sharp interchangeables that are size 8 and they are the 4 inches. And I also got size 6 in the 4 inches. And I also got a size 6. It's a 16-inch, just full, not interchangeable marker. And then I got 2 different cords, a 24-inch and a 16-inch. So I thought those would be good to go with the interchangeables as a start. And then I also got some point protectors because I know that these are really sharp. So I got a package of those. And then I also got some stickers for my knitting planner, or for my planner. There's socks, hats, shawls, scarves, sweaters, cardigans, just a yarn ball. Maybe those are, oh, that's winding and oh my gosh, there's a ball winder and a spindle thing. There's a frog, there's a sewing, there is a wash, and it looks like a circle thing that you make yarn with. I don't remember. Then it looks like there's a crochet needle and just a regular needle. So all different kinds of things that you can put on your planner as to what you're doing if you want to keep that kind of track. And then finally, the creme de la creme. Oh my goodness, this is a lot smaller than I expected, I'm not gonna lie. First impression is what? And this is the pterodactyl, or I keep saying that, polydactyl set by Babette. So it's a Babette set, which I guess means they're smaller. And it will make, well, it's a set of 7 yummy 2-ply toes, she calls it. And they are 100% merino wool. Total of 931 yards in here. And this is in the colorway Coffee Break. And there is a pattern that you can use. So there are all of these little colorways. This one is Black Watch and Denim, Dark Roast, and there is a pattern on her site that you can use all of these in, which is what my plan is. Oyster, Coffee Break, and this says Mrs. Babette Repeatable, Faded, and Coventry. So you use all of these, and they all do match very well. Let me move that one so that they're all got their button together so you can see them. Oh, whoops, missed one. There we go. So they all go really well together. And I didn't know that they were small ones, but I don't mind because as long as it makes what I wanted it to make, that's all I care about. And each one is still 133 yards, and it is about 1.3 ounces, and it says to use a US 1 to 3. Ooh. So that'll be fun, won't it? But it actually feels really nice, and I had to try their yarn. And this was $58.80 on sale from $73.50. So that is actually one of the reasons that I got it, because it was such a good sale price, and I wanted to try it because some of the other kits that they had were a little too much for me, especially since I hadn't used her yarn before. I don't think I'm going to keep it in there because it's too hard to get in there, but so I'm excited to try it. I think it'll be fun to try, and if I can get it on sale, that's always nice. And it was Coffee Break, so I had to get it. And I love the color, so that is fabulous. Speaking of coffee, I have mine right here. Okay, so I am excited to try her stuff. And thanks for watching, guys, and I will do a review and let you guys know what I think of it. But until then, you should give her a try too, because she has some really cute stuff. Bye-bye.